Okay, so this is my observation. Daghang tao, especially mga OFW, nag-a-assume na if they own a home, it automatically means building wealth. Pero wala sila kabalo na every property serves different purpose. So, ani ang scenario. Naay duha ka family. Si family A, family B. Both families work hard in abroad. Nag-sacrifice para sa future sa ilang family. Now, si family A, ang iyang 20 years na hard-earned money, i-dedicate niya para to build their dream home, which it gives full of memories, gives comfort, and pride sa ilaha. Si family B naman, on the other hand, same lang yapon, same situation. Work abroad, nagpalit yapon og property. Pero this time, ang ipalit ni family B na property is an asset. Thinking na in the future, it will help them generate income. So now the challenges is money. Both families, when a retirement arrives, they have properties, di ba? So nagpalit mo sila kanya-kanyang property. Si family A, syempre, nasa gwapong balay, nasa comfort, di ba? Nasa sila sa stability and security. Pero, na-realize ni family A na ang ilang retirement expenses dito nila ginakuha sa ilang savings. On the other hand, si family B, na-realize niya na, uy, ang akong gipalit ng property, generate mo din siya o income. So, ang approach nila sa pagpalit ng property, different. They acquired property designed to potentially help them earn income. So, silang gibuhat. Gibuhat nila ang property into a rental property. It's an investment. So, the opportunity to work along ang ilang kwarta over the years nakatabang sa ilaha. Now, both families own a property. No question. Di ba? Si family A, they own a home. On the other hand, si family B, they own an asset. Both made valuable decision. Walay question na. Kung mangutana ka, asa may mas maayo. Tama na ilang decision. It's just a matter of priority. So, si family A, ang priority nila is yung dream home nila. But si family B, ang ilang priority is an income generating property. So, ibig sabihin, both properties, lahi-lahi ang purpose. Now, takeaway is this. A home gives a family comfort, stability, security, and a place to make memories. While on the other hand, an investment property can potentially provide something more. This provides an additional income. So the question is dealing siya about asay tama na decision, no, in purchasing a property. The real question is this: is your property simply a place to live, or it is also working for your future? Now, that's the question to ponder. So God bless. Stay safe. Peace.